Okay, so the next set we're gonna have today is VMPR versus the Bird. Mainstay, Marth player, VMPR, the homie, versus the Bird. It's been a while since I've seen him. He's a Falco player, and he's really technical, but I haven't seen him make any crazy upsets. So I don't know where to place him by his skill, you know? And now that I've seen him, it's been a little while. He went to Big House, he came back, and he looks like he's pretty clean.
I'm feeling the sickness too, dude.
So we will see what he's doing. VMPR, notably, he's not feeling good today. He threw up just a little while ago. Doesn't know what's up, but he's out here and he's playing his bracket. I'm guessing he's not really having a whole lot of expectations. I can also tell he's got that, like, doesn't want to make Johns about it. Unfortunately, unlike the Bird, who can't do a lot about his mistake right there, you got to John about those a little bit. Also, I'm a dingbell, and I noticed that I forgot to put Falco there for the Bird from after last set. Also, a little apologies if on this particular set there's an echo of sound. If you don't know VMPR, he's a setup diva, so he's like, he normally has this whole headphone thing he sets up, but he doesn't seem to have it today, and instead he's decided to turn the TV up as loud as he can to make sure he can hear everything clearly. His combo game is looking absolutely brutal, though. Ooh. I have a feeling he was looking for something else on that platform than a walk-off down air, but it almost worked. Ooh. Near the beginning of that game, he got away with one of those like mistakes without a jump. The Bird kind of let him in, but not that time. Oh, the Bird did that down throw. Really, really read that he was going to tech right. Apparently behind me there's some salt discretion going on over here. Somebody threw a controller or something. Well, I'm sure I'll find out about it later. Maybe talk about it in another set. Wow, that was a really clean game from VMPR. Even though there were like notable sloppy moments, the up smash, the walk-off down air thing I was talking about. I'm interested to see what the Bird chooses for his counter pick. It seems like he might go back. Oh, VMPR is actually going to switch to Sheik. I think maybe after the flubs he's thinking, It's one of two things, actually. He's either thinking, well, I made a lot of flubs, I should be, like, more cautious, you know? Or he's just thinking, fuck it, I can get away with Sheik. Looking notably less clean here, though. Sometimes you gotta hate to see this, because, like, just a set before this, we see Mustache Massacre get upset, and of course he has the ability to John say, well, he played Link game 1 because he did, but he ended up losing because of it. And the Bird is looking way cleaner in this game. I wonder if it's just a matchup thing, more particularly if it's just VMPR's Marth is leagues better than his Sheik. He's making a lot of really like hard read called tech situations. It seems like he only knows, like he's reacting to the down throw regrabs, but he's not reacting to the punish part after. Oh, the Bird could have made something else happen there. SD on VMPR's side. The bird's using his lasers really efficiently now. Like he was using his lasers really efficiently, and then he had a bad situation right there just happened. Bird though, still keeping a lead here. It seems like VMPR isn't able to be as aggressive as he was before. His approach options are a lot more limited, like to his knowledge for this matchup. And the bird is looking like he's also willing to be a lot more patient, so he's making a really positive adjustment on his side too. Look at these lasers. And he's up here on top platform, and he didn't just go down through the platform, he backed up and found a new route down. That's like a huge change we're seeing in this match. Yeah, that's a solid edge guard. I think almost without a doubt we'll be seeing VMPR switch back to Marth next game if he doesn't win this. Which, I don't know. Bird's looking pretty good, but we also have an SD on VMPR's side, so this one stock could be turned into a lot more. And at only 51% on his stock, Bird coming in for his last one. Not really utilizing his invincibility for much. Let's see what the bird does this while he's at low percentage still. What he can utilize. Barely got past that down smash. A little surprised. No shield grab. Opted out of it. He went, I want dash back laser, because he's been making so much happen with lasers. That was sick. I felt like that should have been the natural ending, but it wasn't. And that's a fair, and that'll end it. VMPR is able to close it out with Sheik 2-0. A good set.
What's your what's the possible what is it like?